Coming up next in this special food production and agriculture edition of Industry Leaders, we're off to Renmark, South Australia to chat with Brenton Woolston at Almondco, a company that processes a major share of the Australian almond crop.
So Almondco's got history. I think that's really important. That started off as a cooperative in 1944, just outside of Adelaide. The growers banded together and started the Almond Cooperative. My opportunity came at Almondco as a supplier to Almondco. Got offered a job as sales and marketing manager, and I thought having a young family based in a regional area, that an industry which was growing, and Almondco being a very well-respected company, that was a good place to have a bit of a sea change. And over that time, it's been a fantastic company in the fact that we've been able to grow, employ locals in a regional area that needed to increase employment opportunities, and it's a very labour efficient, very waste efficient crop. 85% of the Australian almond growers supply through Almondco, so it's really the grower's business, and it's our job here at Almondco to essentially accept the goods that are delivered to us and then find a way to either process and pack as a natural almond product or then value add. So we are a bit of a seen from our customers as a one-stop shop for a dedicated almond business. So from blanching to oven roasting to pasteurising to flavouring and all the things that you cook and bake with all come from our Renmark facility here. Australian almond industry is based really in the Murray-Darling Basin, so it's an irrigated crop. It's tree grown. It's actually mechanically harvested through shaking the tree, and the almonds are actually picked off the orchard floor. So it's our job through the primary processing stage, receiving the almonds from the grower, to make sure it's free of foreign material for one, and then dehull, shell the product into the kernel, which roughly is about 30% of the overall field weight. So it's quite a large processing in volume, and then it's our job here to laser sort, optically sort, reprocess the almonds into a table grade quality, and what doesn't meet that quality then gets value added through either blanching, removing all the skin, or the various cuts and slices or flavours that we make. We have a very diverse almond dedicated product range, from natural products through to oven roasted, flavoured, blanched products, all the various cuts. Also things like almond paste, almond oil, and more recently almond milk. We're a bulk processor market, and we're supporting our customers that are category managers in those areas. But certainly most things that you consume, from a breakfast cereal, health bar, mixed nuts, dedicated almonds, all really come from the Almondco range. It delivers the protein that you need. It's gluten-free, which is again a major sought after food type, particularly in our baking and cooking ranges. Gluten-free is becoming more and more popular choice. And the fact that it's high in vitamin E, so it's good for your skin. It's got a plethora of health benefits. Our mission is to be the premium processor market of Australian almonds to the various global markets and our local market, and optimising returns to our growers. Our future goal is to continue to invest in the latest equipment, make sure our growers remain sustainable and relevant in an expanding horticultural industry. I'm most passionate about probably our growers and also our people. Our growers are really the reason why we're employed and developing the business. We have a diverse grower group across 3 state borders. They're relying on the business to make an income out of, and obviously our employees are what really makes all that happen. So our people are very important to the business. The biggest change that I've seen over the last 7 or 8 years is the focus on food safety. Everything is tested, and our quality department is actually our biggest department here at Almondco. So everything is checked either whether it's chemical, micro or physical checks. Almondco has a very strong food safety process. We do pasteurise natural almonds, which still remain natural, and we're also blanching and roasting, also another kill step for any harmful pathogens that may be contained on the product. The last 15 years has gone very quickly. We've gone from 30 people to 140 staff today. We have 2 sites in South Australia and building a 3rd site in New South Wales currently. Almonds are now the #1 valuable horticultural crop in Australia. So in 2015 it hit $1 billion industry. So from 180 years ago to today, it's become a powerhouse in the horticulture industry, and being part of that development and change in our industry from being small to being heard as an industry has been great to watch and been great to be part of.